Welcome back to Best Beans Lifestyle. Today we're drawing inspiration from one of nature's most beautiful sights, birds flying to and from trees and their joyful chirping. Freedom and independence. Birds in flight represent freedom and independence. Watching them soar through the sky can remind us to embrace our own freedom, break free from our limitations, and pursue our dreams without fear. Persistence and resilience. Birds are incredible, resilient creatures. No matter the weather, they continue to fly, search for food, and build their nests. This teaches us the importance of persistence and resilience in the face of challenges. Harmony with nature. Birds have a special relationship with trees, finding shelter, food, and places to rest. This harmony with nature reminds us to seek balance in our own lives and appreciate the interconnectedness of all living things. Joy and simplicity. The chirping of birds is a simple yet profound joy. Their songs can uplift our spirits and remind us to find happiness in the small, everyday moments. Community and connection. Birds often travel in flocks and communicate with each other through their chirps. This sense of community and connection is something we can strive for in our own lives, valuing our relationships and supporting one another. Next time you see birds flying or hear their cheerful chirping, take a moment to reflect on these inspirational thoughts. Let their freedom, resilience, harmony, joy, and a sense of community inspire you to live a more fulfilling and connecting life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. How do birds inspire you? Bye.